Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will show you how to unfollow a friend on Facebook using your PC. Sometimes you may want to stay connected with someone on Facebook, but not see their posts on your newsfeed. Let's get started with the simple steps. Step 1. Open Facebook by accessing the website or launching the app. Step 2. Locate your profile photo in the top right corner and give it a click. Step 3. Click on your name to navigate to your profile page. Step 4. On your profile page, find and click on Friends. Step 5. Once you're on the Friends page, go to the All Friends tab. Step 6. Scroll through your friends list and find the friend you want to unfollow. Click on the 3 dots icon next to their name. Step 7. A menu will appear. Select Unfollow to stop seeing their posts on your newsfeed. That's it. You have successfully learned how to unfollow a friend on Facebook using your PC. You will still remain friends, but their posts will no longer appear on your feed. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Enjoy a more personalized Facebook experience.